Hello guys, today we can talk about our resume in from scratch to a pro level. How to start our resume writing in a perfect manner, because evenly every person will be write a resume, and nowadays the AI has been come out. Because the AI has been come out, we were even I also use resume.io, resume.ai of AI generator. In this I have been downloaded where my resume also it has been completed, but if I want to download my resume, I want to paste some of AI to this model. So because of spending in my AI resume, I can create my resume in perfect manner. So step by step I will going to explain about how we can to make our resume in perfect manner. This is the overleaf. Overleaf is a very huge type of a software where it is used to create a resume like Quiz Challenger, the University of Apply the Science. Is I will do it in a template in the I will paste in a template in your YouTube. We will improve our resume from the process. See, this is my resume right here. First, the title. What we want to write our title means a title. It's your name and what role you want to play, like a front-end developer, back-end developer, something like. And beginning the profile summary or executive summary. In this you can write anything what you have been studying in last 3 to 4 months, what you have studied, like which are the courses have been studied, and a little bit write something. And after that directly go on the skills, which are the skills are you nailed it. And in this the HTML, CSS and JavaScript and React, and still I am learning a Node.js. And I will, after this the DOM manipulation, we can use our AI model to write our skills, highlight our skills, what are the skills we need. And after this backend programming, which are the strong programming language you have been nailed it. And in this the Java, C, Python and C++, I really I know Java and Python, that's it. And C++ I do not know. Second thing, and third part of our main content of a resume is the education. What about your degree, and write down and make the CGP about our, and which is your college name and location, that's it. After this the certification, have you done anything as like that certificate. In this I will show my certificate, where how we want to download our certificate. This certificate is does not linked with the internet. So for creating our professional resume, we want to link, we want to click on this link to get, we want to go in this the page about where in this the Coursera, where you have been completed. This certificate page has been published on internet. So we want to copy this URL and paste it on our project. HTML and CSS crash course in Coursera I have been completed, where I completed with verification also. I have been shown like this, which of the you have been down, you have been completed, which are the project certificate downloaded with verified with the internet. A recruiter can identify it's you, no another person has been cheat. So it has been good. So like this I have been completed. And here and section C, like this internship and Interstellar. This is my internship of from Interstellar. I was in it the one internship where in this web designing and content creation. In this also we cannot download our certificate and put it on our resume. So we want to view our certificate and make sure that URL we want to copy and paste it on our resume. So this PDF and file CC and user is linked with your, it does not linked with the internet. So we want to erase all the thing and paste. And project, how this recruiter can identify it's you only done the project, because of we want to link our GitHub repository. So how to we repository our GitHub repository, I will show like that, and you can do Visual Studio project, and we will publish into our GitHub. Why? Because means we have a local files and a project, and we cannot publish in our project as a resume. So step by step we are going to publish our project in our GitHub repository. So in this I'm going to click a new repository. After it's a repository, what you are done, it's like a project. I have done the project, and I'm done the project about a YouTube clone project. So I'm mentioning about clone YouTube clone project. YouTube clone project, in this you can share about the repository name. It should be a contain ASC standard like letters and character like small cases. It's about you in your Instagram. Each one has a different account username. Likewise, it has a different repository name according to your project. So it's a description about what I'm done. I'm done a HTML and CSS combined with YouTube clone project, and click, mainly you want to click your public account, and that's it. Create a repository. This is our link, YouTube clone project, and how we want to step by step in your Visual Studio. It initialization, copy and paste in our terminal, and git add to the git, and next thing is that copy this the github committed of m is m the first commitment, and control c, copy and paste it, and git branch m, and copy that, and now the copy paste the git remote, add a original https of both our what's our projects, and copy. Next, our the final thing about GitHub. Next, git the push version. That's it. You have it done, and you have been published your GitHub in full control, compress of objects, what are they done, and how it's possible. Everything has been shown. The HTTPS of a GitHub, the .com of AR, that's my line code, and you can see about our YouTube clone project has been published in GitHub repository.
After publishing our GitHub repository, go to your project and see your project, and like other files and stuffs, and many of HTML, CSS, and other stuffs. This will be there, and search the icon, and copy the URL from your project in GitHub repository and paste it to your resume. After that you can write your description about the project, resume, and this project, and use the technical skills, and what was an impact, and the other some other questions is there. No, you can add it in your resume. It's not an industrial project, so it's just a normal project about this YouTube clone or Amazon clone project. So which are the technique, which are the skill I am used in this by doing this. Likewise, JavaScript, and like this mentioned few, and you can also mention if you're doing an industrial project means what was an impact, how I did, like this you can add it to your resume. And second thing was gaining the black slash was written writing the section, and it's giving the two square bracket in the project for a project section. For this one more I was writing, because I'm done the two project, so one more time I was a copy paste and a description and a copy and paste the second project also, so I cannot write the so much. And a black slash of referrer, and it's going to ask going to ask the two brackets will be going to ask. And the first bracket it was a URL about which that project belongs to. It's like where you GitHub you have been copy that URL, no, you want to paste it in the first. And a second bracket was telling about the words to highlight in the project means I'm said about that the word want to highlight, that's is. You can see about red small circle, and it wasn't just a error to don't make it a compliment. And we can fix it within using a AI, don't worry. And try to solve the editor, and it's the error in visual editor. And there wasn't a, after looking our resume, there wasn't a yellow color also, no, that you can see about in my resume there wasn't a yellow color, means it's just a spelling mistakes or a pronunciation mistakes in the resume. We can also fix it, don't worry. So in making a mistakes is we can use our AI tool, and we can solve that problem, don't worry. Now we look our resume, and main thing of a resume, it should be in a one page. Yeah, regularly our resume want to be in a one page, do not cross the two page. And somebody ask we can edit our resume in visual editor also. There was no both editor is there, code editor and visual editor in a overleaf. If you want to write in a code editor, the program means it's going to work. And if you're writing in visual editor in editing our resume, both also it's going to work. For this, if you have a doubt means I'm going to do one more time about the visual editor at the same. I'm editing there also the my resume after or my name. We add the phone number, email and other social media. First we want to add our other contact details about myself, because when your recruiter has selected you, they can easily contact you, you know. the that's why the every resume you want to add your contact details, mail, phone number, and some other social media like GitHub, something GitHub or LinkedIn. It's going to be a help for yourself. After this we want to going to add our basic details or contact details with the black slash and black slash in the author information in this phone number, mail and LinkedIn. That's it. I have been giving only one social media and mail and phone number, that's it. And you can give it. And in the phone number you want to write your number and mail. In this also you can write black slash referral, and both the bracket also is there. And the first bracket is belongs to URL, and second bracket is going to that mail ID, so you can write it. Otherwise you can skip the referral, and you can write just your email ID, that's it. And we can see our visual editor can we was linking our word in the GitHub project to going to the another page. It's going to be a GitHub project page where it's going to be a help us for every time for every resume. I was seeing that no project or other some stuffs. When I was saving of a referral as a URL pasting, there was a text color in a blue color and other some. So if you want to try to improve your resume in another color means that word, and go to and if you're pasting the first URL a referral backslash your referral after that, and first we want to paste our URL, and the second bracket is the referral black slash text color, and in this that both the two brackets will become, and the first bracket belongs to the color and second bracket belongs to the text. So so the word color was I'm changed into the blue color. If you need to change the color means everything you can do this, but default color is black and blue. And if you change your color like a pink, orange and some other means, it's definitely your resume do not look our profession look. So make it resume as a professional manner, use the color like blue or black. It's going to a better. And author information I want to write the blue color, so I'm written everything as a blue color. And there was no I'm said no, there was no AI tool to debugging our errors. So copy all our resume code and paste it on a perplexity A, and cut our resume, and it will be give you our error free code. And when you are free and can download our resume, so copy paste our resume and click to copy paste our resume and click to the code editor. And this AI tool will be give the default color of a black color. I said no, the color you want to change means black slash text color. So in this we are going to need to change our text color and add your resume. And that's it. Click on the switch the PDF button, and there wasn't a resume in the PDF, it wasn't a completed. So that's it, there wasn't nothing to. Don't compliment your resume as much as possible. If you have an error means go to and copy paste and give you to the some AI tool, and it is going to give a error free code and a copy and switch to the PDF. And this overleaf resume maker will be without the error free code only. It's going to change the resume into the PDF. So your compliment. If you like this video means like and subscribe me. Thank you for watching.